Welcome to day 21, last day of beginner yoga challenge. Today we have a full body yoga practice, a little bit of strength, a little bit of flexibility. Let's begin standing with feet around hip distance apart. Relax your shoulders down. Begin to deepen your breath, inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the nose. Deep inhale, slow exhale. On your next inhale, reach your arms up to the sky, stretch. Exhale, bend forward, place your hands or fingertips to the ground, knees can stay bent. Gently rock side to side, shifting your weight from one foot to another, rocking your upper body side to side. Keep your knees slightly bent, and with inhale start rolling up to standing. Very slowly, take your time. Head comes last. And as you come to standing, take a big inhale to reach your arms up. Interlace your fingers except the pointy one. Exhale, bend to the right. Big stretch on the left side of the body. Inhale back to center, stretch. Exhale, bend to the other side. Inhale to center. Cross your left leg behind the right leg. Slightly bend the front knee, bend to the right. This side stretch might feel a little more intense. Inhale, come back to center and cross your right leg behind the left, slightly bending the left knee, bend to your left. Stretching the right side. Inhale back to center, release your arms. Place your feet wide, heels turn in, toes point out. Bend your knees over your ankles, sitting into goddess pose. Bring your palms together in front of your chest. Breathe here, trying to bend your knees and sit a little deeper with each exhale. This is one of the best poses to strengthen and stretch the lower body at the same time. Take another big inhale here. Exhale, sit a little deeper. Inhale, straighten your legs. Turn your toes in, feet parallel to each other. Hands on your hips. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, bend forward. Hug the opposite elbows, adding weight to your upper body. And then rock side to side, relaxing your upper body. Try to keep your legs straight if possible. Shift your weight more into the balls of your feet. Feel the stretch on the back of the legs. Take another inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. With your next inhale, slowly come up to standing. Start bending your left knee, sitting into side lunge. Find the stretch on the inner thighs. Inhale back to center. Exhale, bending the right knee, sitting deep as you need to feel that stretch. Inhale to center. Exhale to another side. Continue with your breath, moving side to side. If you can sit all the way down, keeping your heel on the ground, then turn the toes of the straight leg up to the ceiling. One more side lunge on each side. And then come up to standing, move your feet a little closer, heels turn in, toes turn slightly out. Bend your knees, sitting into squat as deep as you can with heels staying down on the ground. Position your fingertips in front of you. Inhale, straighten the legs, sending hips up to the ceiling. Exhale, bend your knees, sitting into the squat just as deep as you can. Heels stay on the ground. Inhale, straighten the legs. Exhale, bend the knees. Continue on your own 2 more times. And next time you sit into squat, bring your palms together. Open your knees wider, staying here for a couple of breaths. You can use a rolled blanket underneath your heels if they don't touch the ground. Take another inhale here. Exhale, release your sit bones down. Place your feet wide and lower your knees side to side a couple of times. Then cross your legs. Find a comfortable cross-legged position. Place your right fingertips on the mat. Inhale, lift your left arm. Exhale, bend to the right. Keep your sit bones grounded into the mat. Reach up through your left fingertips. Big stretch on the left side of the torso. Take another inhale here. Exhale, bend forward to your right knee, placing your left hand far forward. You should feel a nice stretch on the back. Slowly come up, left fingertips on the mat. With inhale, lift your right arm. Exhale, bend to your left. Another big inhale here. Exhale, bend to your left knee, round in the back. Place your right fingertips far forward to feel that stretch on the back. Slowly come back to center. Straighten your right leg, keeping your left knee bent and left heel close to the groin. Flex your right foot. Place your right hand in front of you on the mat. With inhale, reach your left arm up. Exhale, side bend to the right. Feel the stretch on the side of the torso. You might also feel this pose somewhere on your inner thighs, on your hips. One last big breath here. And inhale, come up to center. Place your hands in front and walk them forward, lowering your chest closer to the mat. Only a few breaths here. Inhale, come up, switch side, bend your right leg and straighten your left leg to the side. Left foot flexed. Left hand on the mat in front of the leg. With inhale, reach your right arm up. Exhale, bend to the left. You can try bending your top arm behind the head. This can add a little bit different stretch to the side of the torso. Keep breathing into your right ribs. Eventually you might be able to reach your toes with your fingertips, but keeping your chest rotated forward. Inhale, come up. Place your hands in front and walk them forward, maybe staying on your hands, maybe lowering down to your forearms. Relax here for a couple of breaths. And then come up to seated. Cross your legs or take any other comfortable seated position. Place your hands to your knees, close your eyes, and notice how you feel now after this short practice. Bring your palms together in front of your heart and think of one thing that you're grateful for today, no matter how big or small it is. When you are ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me during this challenge. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments below. I hope you will continue to practice yoga and see you in the next videos.